Hello, it's Jess and Cliff. We're ready to give you the rundown on how to use your GE dryer that's compatible with a top-load washer. While your model might look different from what we're showing, the steps remain the same. Let's jump right in. First things first, door swing. This might not seem like a big deal, but trust us, it matters. Imagine trying to transition clothes from washer to dryer with a door that opens the wrong way. Frustrating, right? Luckily, our units usually come with hinges on the right, but most models have reversible doors. Ready to start? Open the door and loosely add your laundry. It's always best to sort clothes by fabric type to avoid over-drying. Remember, that tiny sock will dry faster than a fleece jacket. Did you use your dryer recently? Then it's a good time to check the lint filter. Some of our smart dryers even remind you with a clean filter message after each cycle. To get started, press the power button or turn the knob to wake up the display. Then select a dry cycle. If you drop a towel during load transfer, don't worry. Just hit start to pause your cycle and throw it in, and you're back in action. Dryer cycle selections are mostly about fabric types. Delicate or synthetic items like lower heat, while fabric blends do best with medium heat. You'll find helpful cycles like quick dry when you're in a rush, or air fluff to prevent wrinkles. For those who hate ironing, there's even wrinkle care. And don't forget, connecting your dryer through the SmartHQ app lets you control cycles remotely. If you're not using WasherLink, don't worry. SensorDry adjusts the cycle based on the moisture level of your clothes. And for added benefits, high-end models offer Sanitize and EcoDry for extra cleanliness and energy savings. Want to personalize your cycles? The My Cycle button can remember your favorite settings. So if you always sanitize your activewear, My Cycle will have you covered. And for those who hate tangled clothes, select GE Profile dryers offer Tangle Control, which reverses the drum to evenly dry bulky items and reduce tangling. And that's it, folks. That's how you and your GE top-load compatible dryer tackle laundry day.